Very good. It's we're really exciting. We see the people like the company, like the stock.
And the staff were cheering, weren't they? They were really happy.
They're really happy. They're really being excited. They've been working really hard to get the company to at this stage, and they can enjoy a little pause of the exciting moment at today.
Why did you choose the Nasdaq in New York as opposed to listing the company in, say, Hong Kong or Shanghai back at home?
We like Nasdaq because it's the nature of the innovation, the technology driven. So that's basically what we've been doing. We think it's a very good match with Lexin.
Now, we know that you're a microloan company, but what does the company actually do on a day-to-day basis?
We are a leading consumer finance platform in China. So what we do, we help the people have this consumer finance needs and finding people who really can help them.
But your main target is young people, right?
We target this, we think the best cohort in the society is educated young adults, which means they receive like 3 or 4 years college education. So these people will be the majority of the middle high income people of the society.
Lexin is certainly a pioneer when it comes to providing installment loans to young Chinese consumers. You've only been in business about 4 years, though. How, in that time, has Chinese consumer demand changed?
We don't think it's really been changed. It's demand is always there, but now because of new technology being available, actually we can serve them better. So that's a major change in the last couple of years.
Yes. But your product is not unique. I mean this very respectfully. It's not unique in the marketplace, is it? So what is your secret sauce?
The product itself is not that unique, but the technology behind the product, that's where the unique thing comes from. And that will make us different than others.
Yeah, I mean, tell us more about that technology.
Yeah, because it's lots of technology you need to use in this fintech area, like the big data, AI, and also other new technologies being available. So assess people's risk. Used to be you only use a couple of data, like the bank's doing. But today, you have much more dimensions you can evaluate the people. So that's a whole different thing. And also, when you serve people, now you can use internet instead of people always have to go to the branch of the bank. So that's a totally different way you can serve people.
So are you a tech company or are you a microloan company? Which is it?
Technology company for sure.
Now, you couldn't raise as much money as you initially hoped for because of regulatory changes in China and the falling share price of your competitors. Will that affect your business going forward?
The capital market strategy is always a long-term strategy. We've been very happy we can be more transparent now. Everybody can know more about our company. So we will focus on deliver long-term value to our shareholders. We think the company, we are very confident about the future of the company.
And finally, where do you think the business will be in, say, 5 years from now?
In 5 years of time, we will be serve more customers. We will be the biggest consumer finance provider in the market in China.